Most animals on Earth hunt using claws, fangs, speed, or camouflage. But there is a mysterious group of creatures that evolved something far more terrifying: electricity. Some of them can generate shocks as strong as thousands of volts. Some don't shock you directly but can read your heartbeat in total darkness. Others can sense the tiniest twitch of a muscle through the electrical signals your body releases. And a few can fire off electrical bursts at night that knock out predators much larger than themselves. In today's video, you'll discover 10 predators that use electricity to locate, track, paralyze, and kill their prey. And number 1 is a creature that can defeat crocodiles, knock down a horse, and instantly paralyze a human body. You won't see it, you won't hear it, but you will definitely feel the shock. Welcome back to Top Wonder, the place where we explore the strangest, most incredible, and most shocking sides of the natural world. Today, we're diving deep into the world of animals that fight with electricity. Creatures that can scan their surroundings with electric fields, read the heartbeat of their prey, send electric pulses through the water, and strike with enough power to shut down an entire body. Get ready, after this video, you will never look at underwater animals or wild predators the same way again. Number 10. Electrical catfish. The mud-hiding shock hunter. The electric catfish of Africa lives in murky, slow-moving, muddy waters. It doesn't need to see its prey, it doesn't need to chase it. It simply waits for a weak electrical signal from the heartbeat or muscle movement of any creature nearby. When something comes close enough, the electric catfish unleashes a shock of up to 350 volts. That's not always enough to kill a human, but it is more than enough to paralyze your arm, rob you of control, and make drowning a very real possibility if you encounter it at the wrong time. The most frightening part is that it hunts in total darkness. You never know you're near one until your body goes numb. Number 9. Electric rays. The hidden ambush battery. Electric rays look calm and harmless, often lying still on the seafloor. But don't let their appearance fool you. They can generate electric discharges of up to around 220 volts. On sand, they are nearly invisible, and any creature that swims too close can be stunned instantly. Their shocks cause muscle contractions, loss of control, and total immobilization in their prey, giving the ray plenty of time to swallow it. Special electric organs along the sides of their body allow them to release powerful electric pulses without harming themselves. Many divers have reported being completely paralyzed after brushing against one, losing all control and only surviving thanks to their teammates. Number 8. Black ghost knifefish. The electric radar hunter. This animal doesn't shock its prey. What it does is even more impressive. It reads weak electrical signals that every living creature accidentally releases. The black ghost knifefish lives in the dark waters of South America, in places where light barely reaches. It emits a constant weak electric field from its body, then senses how that field is distorted by objects around it. That allows it to see in complete darkness. Prey as small as tiny insects or crustaceans can be detected by the faint bioelectric signals coming from their bodies. Using this electric map, the knifefish becomes a silent assassin in the night. Number 7. Sharks. The best electrical detectors in the ocean. Sharks don't generate electricity. Their power lies somewhere else. They can read it. Sharks have a system of sensory organs called the ampulla of Lorenzini. These allow them to detect even the tiniest electrical signals coming from the heartbeat, muscle contractions, and breathing of their prey. Even if a fish is hiding under a layer of sand on the seafloor, the shark can still find it. From several meters away, a shark can sense life itself just through the bioelectric field produced by another creature. In the murky, dark waters where vision is useless, this becomes a terrifying superpower. To a shark, if you're alive, you're visible. Number 6. Dolphins. Smart predators. Using bioelectric clues. Dolphins are often seen as friendly, playful, and peaceful. But never forget, they are also top-level predators. Research suggests that dolphins can use the weak electric fields naturally produced by the bodies of their prey to help them hunt in murky waters where sight and sound are limited. Even though this electric sense is weaker than that of sharks, it still gives them an edge in detecting small fish, squid, and shrimp. So while dolphins look cute from the surface, they are powerful hunters beneath it, and electricity is part of their precision toolkit. Number 5. Knife fish deadly accuracy using weak electric fields. Here is another creature that hunts not with strong shocks, but with a constant electric radar. Knife fish emit a weak electric field around their body at all times. By sensing how that field changes, they can read the shape and texture of their environment, detect tiny moving objects in the water, and tell the difference between a rock, a plant, and a living animal. What makes them dangerous is not brute force, but precision. In muddy or dark waters, where other predators struggle to see, knife fish use electricity to track and strike prey with incredible accuracy. You might think that everything so far is already unbelievable, but you'd be wrong. The remaining predators use electricity in ways that scientists are still trying to fully understand. One of them can deliver a shock strong enough to drop a horse. Another uses electricity to stun animals many times larger than itself. And the creature at number 1 can kill you just by releasing electric energy into the water around it. Ready? The biggest shock is still ahead. Number 4. Cat sharks and rays with electroreception hunters that read life itself. Not all of these animals generate electricity. Some use it in a completely different way. Cat sharks and many species of rays have electroreceptors that allow them to sense the tiny electric fields produced by blood flow, nerves, and muscles in other animals. This lets them detect prey buried under sand, hidden under rocks, or moving in total darkness. Their electric sense is so finely tuned that they can pick up signals weaker than those from a small watch battery. In the underwater world, where light fades quickly, this ability turns them into living life detectors. If a creature is breathing or moving, they know. Number 3. Torpedo ray, the natural electric stun gun. This is one of the strongest electric predators in the ocean. The torpedo ray can deliver high-voltage shocks up to around 220 volts, powerful enough to completely paralyze its prey, causing it to sink helplessly to the bottom. It doesn't rely on speed, it doesn't rely on sharp teeth. It simply approaches, clings to the victim, and fires. Many swimmers and divers who have accidentally touched a torpedo ray describe losing the ability to control their limbs instantly. The shock is strong enough to scare away larger predators and warn anything nearby not to come closer. This is a living stun gun beneath the waves. Number 2. Stargazer fish, the electric ambush in the sand. The stargazer isn't just one of the ugliest fish on Earth, it's also one of the most bizarre and dangerous. It buries itself completely under the sand, leaving only its eyes and mouth exposed. From this position, it watches the world above. When an unsuspecting fish swims near, it lunges upward and uses its electric organs to shock and stun the prey before swallowing it whole. Its electrical discharge can knock small animals out instantly and can cause serious numbness, disorientation, and muscle spasms in humans. If this happens in deep water, the victim could easily drown. You never see the stargazer until it's too late. Number 1. Electric eel, the most powerful natural electric predator on Earth. This is the legend. The electric eel is the most powerful natural electric generator in the animal kingdom. A single shock from a large electric eel can reach up to 860 volts, strong enough to knock down a horse, paralyze a crocodile, or cause a grown human to collapse instantly. Its body is packed with specialized electric organs that function like rows of biological batteries. When hunting, it sends out weak pulses to explore its surroundings and locate prey. Once it finds a target, it fires a massive, concentrated burst of electricity. The prey freezes, muscles locked, unable to move at all. Even if you're several meters away, The electric current can travel through the water and cause your muscles to spasm violently. Many deaths have occurred when people shocked by electric eels were thrown off balance, fell into the water, or became too paralyzed to swim. The electric eel isn't just the strongest electric hunter. It is the most efficient electrical weapon nature has ever created. And that is our list of 10 predators that hunt using electricity. From hidden rays and catfish that shock their prey, to sharks and dolphins reading tiny electrical signals in the dark, to legendary eels that can drop a horse with a single blast, the electric world of animals is far more powerful and frightening than it appears. Which predator shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another countdown from Top Wonder.